Ever wondered why cafe coffee tastes richer than yours? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best home coffee roasting machines that turn raw beans into magic. Welcome to the channel. Save money, control flavor, and grab trusted picks through the links in the description before your first sip today ever. At number 5 is DYVEE Gas Coffee Roaster. Most people don't realize this until they try it. Green coffee can smell grassy, harsh, even disappointing until the right roast unlocks it. That's why the top 5 best home coffee roasting machines matter more than specs on paper. They decide whether your mornings feel like a ritual or a regret. Here's the real problem. Many home roasters struggle with uneven heat, limited control, or tiny batch sizes that waste time and beans. This is where the DYVEE Gas Coffee Roaster quietly stands apart. Its gas-powered drum roasting delivers direct flame control, faster heat response, and deeper flavor development. You feel every adjustment. You hear the first crack clearly. You learn, roast by roast. Compared to other compact electric roasters, DYVEE offers stronger airflow and larger capacity, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want hands-on mastery. It demands attention. There's a learning curve, and it's not set and forget. At number 4 is Precision Coffee Roaster. Most people don't realize this coffee loses up to 70% of its aroma just days after roasting. That's the quiet frustration pushing home brewers toward the top 5 best home coffee roasting machines. The real problem? Store-bought beans guess your taste. Home roasters give control back. Among these machines, the Precision Coffee Roaster feels like a turning point. Its adjustable roast profiles, real-time temperature control, and even heat circulation help turn raw beans into something personal. You hear the first crack. You smell the shift. You stop exactly when you want. Compared to other air roasters, it offers deeper flavor development. Compared to other drum competitors, it's easier to learn but not perfect. It needs patience, ventilation, and a bit of practice. Still, the payoff is real. Fresher cups. Less waste. More value per batch. On number 3 is CAFEMASY Coffee Roaster. Most people don't realize this. Coffee loses nearly half its aroma within weeks of roasting. That's the quiet frustration behind every good but not great cup at home. That's why the top 5 best home coffee roasting machines matter. They give control back to the drinker. Real control. Heat. Time. Flavor direction. CAFEMASY Coffee Roaster fits naturally into that conversation. Its compact drum design and adjustable temperature settings solve the biggest beginner problem: uneven roast that tastes flat or burnt. Small batch roasting feels intentional here. You hear the beans. You smell the change. You react. Compared to other air roasters, CAFEMASY delivers a deeper body and more balanced development. Compared to other bulkier drum machines, it's simpler and easier to live with. The trade-off? Slightly longer roast times and a learning curve during the first few sessions. But that curve leads somewhere rewarding. At number 2 is JIAWANSHUN Coffee Roaster. Most people don't realize this coffee loses up to 60% of its aroma just days after roasting. That's the quiet frustration pushing many buyers toward the top 5 best home coffee roasting machines. At first glance, home roasting feels risky. Too loud. Too technical. Too easy to burn beans. But the right machine flips that fear into control. That's where options like the JIAWANSHUN Coffee Roaster quietly earn attention. It's built for real kitchens. The electric coffee roaster design supports small batch roasting, with visible roasting progress and steady temperature control that helps beginners avoid bitter mistakes. Stainless steel construction adds durability, while DIY coffee roasting suddenly feels approachable, not intimidating. Compared to other air roasters that race too fast, JIAWANSHUN leans toward balance. You trade ultra speed for better flavor awareness. It requires patience and manual involvement, but that's also where learning happens. Now moving to the last one is GIVEROO Coffee Bean Roaster. Most people don't realize coffee beans begin losing flavor just minutes after roasting, and that's where home roasting changes everything. The top 5 best home coffee roasting machines exist because store-bought beans often arrive tired, flat, and overworked by time. Home roasters solve a real frustration, wanting cafe-level aroma without gambling on stale bags. Among this lineup, the GIVEROO coffee bean roaster quietly earns attention. Short bursts of heat. Controlled airflow. A drum design that treats beans gently, not harshly. GIVEROO makes small batch roasting feel less technical and more intuitive. Capacity is modest compared to other larger electric roasters, so it favors quality over volume. Compared to other hot air roasters, GIVEROO offers deeper body and richer oils, though it asks for a bit more involvement. When your mornings start with beans you roasted yourself, coffee stops being routine and starts feeling personal again. Winner is the DYVEE gas coffee roaster, and here's why you should buy it. The DYVEE gas coffee roaster stands out because it gives you a more hands-on roasting experience with better control over bean color and heat, thanks to the quartz glass drum that lets you watch the roast in real time. It's well built with a solid frame and ideal for roasting batches big enough for multiple coffees at once, making it a great choice if you want better flavor, control, and an engaging roasting experience compared to basic electric models. If you'd like, I can tailor the recommendation based on whether you prefer automatic ease or manual control. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best home coffee roasting machines. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.